Hey guys, welcome back. So I don't know if you can see it right there, but apparently the reason we were having a leak around this spot where I have the blue tape marked is because there's, if you can see it, there's a tiny, like a little air bubble or an air pocket there where we didn't get an even bead of silicone that was contacting the glass. Maybe you can see it a little better from the outside over here. There's like a little dimple or a little pocket there where the silicone didn't contact the glass and make a good seal. Now I'm looking and investigating these seams down here, and where I have the tape, I don't know why. I cannot feel any sort of air bubble or air pocket along this seam, or this seal on the bottom that should have been causing a leak. It's all nice and smooth. There is some thickening area in a few spots, but it all should be nice and sealed evenly. So I don't know exactly why it was leaking. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove the seal here all the way along on the front. I'm going to remove that seal and redo it again just to be safe. And then I'm going to take out this seal here and redo it, and hopefully that will eliminate hopefully that will eliminate the areas where it was leaking. We did not have any leakage on the seal that goes along this side in the back or this side in the back. It was just coming from the front on the bottom and from this one that we saw dripping on the side. So all the rest of the seals are good. So I'm going to leave those alone, and I'm going to get busy here and start removing the seals on the tank so we can hopefully get it all cleaned up and get those 3 seams resealed today so that we can do another leak test by the end of the week. Today is Tuesday, and I want to get this done so that we have a nice, good seal this time. Thought they were perfect and everything was all great, and we were done with this project. But that's why, guys, that you want to do a leak test after you've resealed your tank, is in case for any reason there's gotten to be a little air pocket or something in there where the caulking or the sealant is not meeting the glass very well. So anyhow, again, I'll just show you the caulking that we used. It was the Aquarium's 100% silicone aquarium sealant, and I have enough left in the tube here that I will have enough to reseal those 3 seams with no problem. I am not sure. I had a friend suggest, I am not sure if I'm going to use these the squeegees again this time or not. I had a friend recommend, he's like, I don't even use them. I have them sitting in my toolbox and I never use them. For those of you who are tuning in, who are new to this project, this is the tool that I am using to remove the seals. It gets in the corners, gets in the crevices nicely, and we're gonna go ahead and use some scrapers and things. I have a glass scraper here that will also help to get residual off. But as you can see, the tank is pretty clean. Not any silicone residue left on the inside. There's a few water spots and dirt spots and things from where it had been sitting outside, but overall it's relatively clean, and so we shouldn't have to do a major cleanup on it again. Just getting the any residual residue of anything off from the outside, if there are, and inside. So I'm going to let you go for now. Hit the red subscribe button, and until next time, have a great one.